Hi, I am Surbhi Agarwal and I will discuss Chapter 15, The Cardinal Rule of Behavior Change from the book Atomic Habits written by James Clear. In this chapter, author advises us on how to make our habits satisfying. We are more likely to repeat a habit when the experience is satisfying. For example, chewing gum had been sold commercially throughout the 1800s, but it wasn't until Wrigley launched in 1891 that it became a worldwide habit, which contained the flavors of spearmint and juicy fruit that made the product flavorful and fun to use. Even toothpaste had a similar case.
Let's understand the mismatch between immediate and delayed rewards. Time inconsistency is the way our brain evaluates rewards inconsistent across time. A reward that is certain right now is typically worth more than one that is merely possible in the future. This is why people smoke or overeat, still knowing the future repercussions. Unfortunately, these outcomes are often misaligned. With our bad habits, the immediate outcome usually feels good, but the ultimate outcome feels bad. With good habits, it is the reverse. When we plan to lose weight, write a book, or learn a language, etc., we are actually making plans for our future self. However, when the moment of decision arrives, instant gratification usually wins. So the vital thing in getting a habit to stick is to feel successful. Even if it's in a small way, the feeling of success is a signal that our habit paid off and the work was worth the effort. The best approach is to use reinforcement, which refers to the process of using an immediate reward to increase the rate of a behavior. One solution can be opening a savings account and labeling it with something we want. Whenever we pass on a purchase, we can put the same amount of money in the account. It is like creating a loyalty program for ourselves. In summary, a habit needs to be enjoyable for it to last. Simple bits of reinforcement like soap that smells great or toothpaste that has a refreshing mint flavor or seeing $50 hit our savings account can offer the immediate pleasure we need to enjoy a habit. And change is easy when it is enjoyable.
Here is the chapter summary. The fourth law of behavior change is to make it satisfying. We are more likely to repeat a habit when the experience is satisfying. The human brain evolved to prioritize immediate rewards over delayed rewards. The cardinal rule of behavior change: what is rewarded is repeated, what is punished is avoided. To get a habit to stick, we need to feel immediate successful, even if it is in a small way. We have come to an end of the chapter. Thank you.